Assalamualaikum students. Here I am back, Saryamin, with O-Level Maths 4024, and I am associated with Ilminate Education System. The purpose of Ilminate Education System is to provide and facilitate O and A-level students with their different problems that they face in their different subjects. I am dealing with O-Level Maths, which is having the subject code of 4024. So today we are going to discuss the topic percentages. Before starting with the percentages, we should first of all know that this topic is related to the paper 1, in which no calculator is allowed, as well as in paper 2. In paper 2, you get one complete question of it of about 12 marks, while in paper 1, it consists of 2 or 3 questions. And moreover, in every question nearly you will find these topic of the percentages anywhere present, because it is an essential part of nearly every topic, and not only in maths, but it is also used in physics, in chemistry, and in accounts, economics as well. So basically, when we say percentages, we should know that it is related to a method in which we divide every quantity into hundreds. Percent. Cent is the short form for the century. And century means 100. That means what we do is we divide every quantity into 100 pieces, and then we take out the value from it. It becomes actually globally accepted calculation in which any calculation can be taken and can be compared with all the other values. The first thing is, whenever we are asked to convert any value to percentage, we get a question like this. You will be provided something related to the fraction, like convert 3/4 to percentage. Keep the wordings in mind. Whenever it is asked to convert anything, any fraction to percentage, it means we would be multiplying the given value by 100. And if it is a paper 1 question, then we simplify this as much as possible, and we know in the fraction, whenever we are simplifying, we can simplify one value in the denominator with one value in the numerator. Like here, we can say that in the table of 2, 4 comes at 2, that is 2 2s are 4, and in the table of 200 comes at 50. Moreover, this 2 and 50 also can be simplified as 2 1s are 2, and 2 25s are 50. In the denominator, when 1 is there, we eliminate that 1, we avoid that 1. And what we do is, in the numerator, whatever values are there, we multiply them together. Like here, it is 3 into 25. That gives us 75. And we write the answer as percentage. This is the symbol for the percentage. Like in the same way, if it is asked in the question to convert 0.03 into percentage, it means the same thing. We are converting something to percentage. It means what we have to do is we will multiply this value by 100. Let's see how. 0.03 multiplied by 100. And whenever 100,000 or a zero value is getting multiplied with the decimal value, what we do is we simply shift the decimal. When it is getting multiplied, the decimals will be shifted forward. And it will be according to the number of zeros. But in 100, there are 2 zeros. So this decimal will be shifted 2 steps forward. So that will give us 003. And we take only the number 3 with the percentage sign. This is the first category that we should know, that converting any value to percentage. Next, the reverse of that. You are asked to convert any percentage value, for example, 30% to a fraction. In the previous examples, we can see that there were no percentage sign in the question requirement, but we have added the percentage sign in the answer. But here it is the reverse. You can see the percentage sign in the question. And we have to remove that percentage sign. So how it is done? Whenever we see the percentage sign with a number, we first of all divide that number with 100. And then since it is to be converted to fraction, then we simplify them. Numerator with the denominator with the same number or same table cancellation. Like we will cancel this 0 to 0. It means what we are doing is we are taking the table of 10. We are taking 10 times 3 is 30. That 10 3s are 30 and 10 10s are 100. So we are actually dividing both the values by 10. And in the calculation, we can see that we are just removing a 0. So finally, the answer will be 3 upon 10 as a fraction. And suppose if this is to be converted to a decimal, suppose it is said convert 2% to decimal. Again, the first thing will be divided by 100. And then simply whenever the values are getting divided by 0 numbers, then we shift the decimals back. Right now we can see that with 2 there is no decimals, right? The decimal is just at the end. When it is shifted back, we have to shift it back to 2 places, 2 steps. 1, 2. That means a 0 should come before 2 to insert a decimal. Then the third category is when we are asked to find any percentage, like it said, find 30% of 50. Now, this will be done this way. First of all, the percentage sign will be converted in the form as divided by 100. Of means of, which is multiplication, and then 50. Then again, if it is the paper one question, no need to make big numbers. Just do the simple numbers calculation that is very easy for us to do. Like this 0 and this 0 will get cancelled, showing that we are cancelling them with 10. 10 5s are 50 and 10 10s are 100. In the same way, this 0 and this 0 will get cancelled as 10 times 10 1s are 10 and 10 3s 30. So in the denominator, we are getting only 1, and we know that whenever in the denominator 1 comes, we avoid that 1. And we are left over with the numbers which are getting multiplied in the numerator as 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. That will not be a percentage sign, that will be single number. A very important question. %% of what is 50? Let's look at this sentence. They're not asking to find the 20% of 50. They're asking some value is there, and if we are taking 20% of that value, we are getting 50. What is that value? That means we should find out some value which is greater than this 50. Now, this is a very special question which always comes in paper one, and just look at it and how to solve it. We do it in this way, just write it as an equation. 20% means 20 upon 100 of what? What we don't know, we take it as is means is equal to, and that is 50. This becomes an equation that helps a lot. Do it in this way. This 100 which is getting divided here will go up and get multiplied. And this 20 which is getting multiplied with x is shifted here, and it is divided by this on the other side. So left over on this side will only be x. We just simplify the values like this. 2 with 0 and 0, and then 2 and with 2 and 2, 50, that's 100. Left over is 50 multiplied by 5 in the numerator, and denominator is 1. We will get 250 as the answer. Meaning, if you take out 20% of 250, you get 50 as the answer. Okay. So this is all for today's lesson. You will get the recording in the Ilminate website on the YouTube channel, and that will help you to simplify this. In the next topic which we take related to the percentage, I will give you the questions for the revision. Okay, I hope you have understood the things that I have explained here, and if you find any difficulty, any question, any query, you can contact me on the Ilminate website. Okay, till the next video and next class, take care, best of luck, and Allah Hafiz.